First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually value.
Welcome back to another lesson on business English. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone dealing with customers. The 3 essentials of excellent customer service. Whether you're assisting customers in person at a store, communicating via phone or email, or providing live chat support, a method that's increasingly popular these days, these essentials remain universal and effective. When we talk about great customer service, it's not just about meeting expectations. It's about creating a memorable experience that turns first-time customers into loyal, long-term clients. The key lies in mastering what I like to call the 3 Ps: being polite, professional, and positive. Let's explore what each of these means in practice. 1. Polite. This might sound obvious, but politeness is the cornerstone of excellent customer service. It goes beyond using kind words. It's about making the customer feel respected and valued. Use formal and respectful language that's appropriate for the setting. For example, replace casual phrases like, "Yeah, sure," with, "Of course, I'd be happy to help." In face-to-face interactions, body language plays a big role. Maintain a friendly demeanor, smile, make eye contact, and use open gestures. A polished appearance also adds to the overall impression. For digital communication, politeness translates to structured, clear, and thoughtful responses. Always take an extra moment to proofread your message. It reflects care and attention. 2. Professional. Being professional means representing your brand in the best possible way. Whether you're working for a company or managing your own business, your behavior reflects the brand's values. Understand the customer's needs fully. Ask questions like, "How can I assist you today?" Or "Could you help me understand the issue a bit more?" Provide well-thought-out solutions. This doesn't mean you need to have all the answers immediately, but show you're committed to resolving their concerns. Always stay composed, even in challenging situations. A calm and professional attitude can help de-escalate tension and build trust. Positivity is incredibly powerful and, quite frankly, contagious. Customers pick up on your energy. If you're enthusiastic and optimistic, it makes their experience so much better. Show genuine enthusiasm when engaging with customers, even when addressing problems. A phrase like, "I'd be delighted to assist you with this," conveys a helpful attitude. Use uplifting and solution-oriented language. For instance, instead of saying, "Unfortunately, we don't have that in stock," you could say, "Let me check if we can order it for you or find a similar option." A positive tone can even soften the impact of delivering bad news, keeping the conversation constructive and forward-looking. Mastering the 3 Ps, polite, professional, and positive, will transform the way you interact with customers, whether it's in person, over the phone, or online. These principles apply across all industries and are key to building lasting relationships and ensuring customer satisfaction. As we continue through this course, we'll unpack these ideas further and explore real-life examples to help you put them into practice. So, make the 3 Ps your mantra for customer service excellence. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we'll dive into key phrases for customer service.